beauties, welcome back to my channel Health and Beauty Tips. Today I will share with you onions toner homemade remedies. Onion hair toner helps hair growth and reduces hair fall by stimulating your scalp and improving the circulation of blood. It gives your hair the necessary nourishment to help fight hair and scalp problems. We all know that onions are the natural ingredient in our healthy stay. But we knowingly neglect to buy and use medicine from the market. If we use a piece of onion with our daily diet, we can easily get rid of many complex problems. Let's see, friends, how to make onion toner at home. First, I will take 3 onions and cut them into small pieces and put the pieces in a pan. Now boil them with a glass of water on the gas for 20 minutes. When the onion water cools down, I will take the onion water out with a sieve. Put the onion water in a spray bottle. 30 minutes before using the shampoo. The onion toner sprays on your hair and gently massage for 5 minutes and tie with a cotton cloth for 25 minutes, then wash off with the shampoo of your choice. You can use coconut oil with this toner. Use twice a week for 6 months. Friends will definitely get good results and your hair will be thicker and more beautiful than before. If you like this remedy, you must comment.